Hey guys, welcome back to Filmora Mobile Course Season 2 and this is the episode number 5. Today's topic is very interesting because we are trying to do a car vlog. So I will teach you how to shoot cinematic videos of your car from outside and also shoot a vlog inside your car by mounting the phone on the windshield or on the dashboard. So let's check it out. So before you start your car vlog, you can create a cinematic slow-mo of your car just like this. So you can either use the slow-mo effect on your phone's camera app, or you can do it on the Filmora Mobile app, which I will show you later in the editing part. Now to mount the car on the dashboard or the windshield, I bought this phone mount for just $5 and it comes with adjustable arms and a vacuum suction cup. Find the perfect place to install this phone holder, maybe on the right side of your windshield or on the dashboard, or maybe beside your infotainment system if there is any space. Make sure it doesn't block your view. Experiment with other places like installing on the sunroof or maybe on the windows of your car. You can capture incredible shots by closing or opening the doors. For me, dashboard is the best place to mount your phone. Now let's try vlogging inside my car. So I'm now back in my car and I'm driving around the city. It's such a nice weather today and everything is so beautiful. So I'm now back in my car and I'm driving around the city. It's such a nice weather today and everything is so beautiful in this. So this is how you can create amazing car vlogs driving around your hometown, and with the Filmora mobile app for Android and iOS, I will show you how to edit these car vlogs. So let's start. Once you download and install the app, open it, click on the plus icon, add the videos. So first I will show you how to add two videos. One is of yourself and other one is your POV, that is your dash cam footage, which you can record with your phone simply switching the camera to the rear camera. Now we will not add the second video by clicking the plus icon. Instead we will use PIP, that is picture in picture. So the POV video will superimpose on your original video. You can move it anywhere, resize it, place it in an empty space like this. This is how you place two videos in one frame in your car vlog. If you want to make it more interesting, you can use masking tool. So select the clip, go to mask. There you get different shapes of mask like circular, rectangular. So the PIP video can be circular, rectangular, star shaped, or even heart shaped. Next, I've shown you how I shot the video with movements and slow motion in my phone. In the episode 4 of this season 2, I showed you how you can convert any video to slow motion using your phone in the Filmora mobile app. So simply go to the speed option and decrease the speed. You can also increase it as needed, which I will show you here. This is one of the best new features of the Filmora mobile app, that is you can add speed curves to modulate the speed. So there are some presets. Let me try the first one called highlight. It basically increases the speed, then slows down in the middle to highlight anything, then increases the speed. This is called montage, so use it for that kind of videos. There are three more presets called jump cut, flash in, flash out, but the most interesting one is customize, that is you can modulate the speed as per your own requirements. So let me try it. Let's increase the speed first and I want to slow it down on the headlight here. You get a live preview, so it's done. Another quick tip for you is you can use the phone as a dash cam by using the rear camera as I mentioned before, and you can speed up the video to create a time lapse of your driving from going one place to another. So this is the end of today's episode. I hope that it was interesting. The complete Filmora mobile course playlist is in the description of this video, so check it out. Thank you so much for watching.